4. Success in relationships is not about chasing, begging, or changing yourself to keep someone interested. The women who leave a lasting impact are those who understand their value and live with confidence, purpose, and self-respect. Men often remember and return to the woman who made them feel something deeper than temporary attraction. Here are 6 powerful traits that create that lasting impression. A woman who truly understands her value does not spend her life seeking approval from others. She knows that her worth is not determined by a man's attention or relationship status or the opinions of people around her. This mindset changes everything. Instead of constantly worrying about whether she is good enough, she focuses on becoming the best version of herself. She invests in her growth, her goals, her health, and her happiness because she understands that confidence begins from within. Men are naturally drawn to women who carry themselves with self-respect. When a woman values hers, or ELF, she communicates differently, makes decisions differently, and accepts only the treatment she deserves. She does not tolerate disrespect simply because she is afraid of being alone. She does not lower her standards to keep someone interested. Her confidence creates an energy that people notice immediately. It is not arrogance or pride. It is the quiet certainty that she deserves respect and kindness. A woman who values herself also understands the importance of maintaining her own identity. She does not abandon her dreams, hobbies, friendships, or ambitions for a relationship. She continues building her life while sharing it with someone else. This independence makes her attractive because it shows strength and emotional maturity. She becomes a partner, not a dependent. When challenges arise, she does not panic or lose herself trying to please everyone. She remains grounded in her principles and trusts her judgment. Her self-worth allows her to walk away from situations that do, or not align with her values, even when doing so is difficult. This ability to choose herself demonstrates courage and inner strength. People often remember those who made a strong impression through authenticity and confidence. A woman who genuinely values herself inspires admiration because she shows others what self-respect looks like in action. Her standards, confidence, and sense of purpose create a lasting impact that is difficult to forget. A woman who does not chase what refuses to choose her possesses a level of confidence that immediately sets her apart. She understands that real interest never needs to be forced. When someone genuinely values you, their actions will show it. Because of this, she does not spend her time convincing, begging, or proving her worth to people who remain uncertain. She recognizes that her energy is valuable and chooses to invest it in places where it is appreciated. Many people make the mistake of believing that the more they pursue someone, the more, or love they will receive in return. In reality, constant chasing often creates an unhealthy imbalance. The person doing all the work begins to lose confidence, while the other person may start taking the attention for granted. A woman who knows her value avoids this trap. She gives effort, but she expects effort in return. She understands that healthy relationships require mutual interest, mutual respect, and mutual commitment. This mindset does not come from pride or stubbornness. It comes from emotional maturity. She knows that rejection is not a sign that she is unworthy. It simply means that two people may not be right for each other. Instead of taking rejection personally, she continues focusing on her goals, her happiness, and her personal growth. She refuses to allow someone's inability to recognize her value to determine how she sees herself. There is something powerful about a woman who can walk away with dignity. She does not create drama, demand attention, or try to manipulate, or lait someone into staying. She accepts reality and moves forward. This confidence often leaves a lasting impression because it demonstrates strength, self-control, and self-respect. Men often remember the woman who did not lose herself trying to keep them. They remember the woman who remained confident, maintained her standards, and continued building her life regardless of who chose to stay or leave. Her ability to respect herself enough to stop chasing becomes a quality that stands out long after the relationship has ended. A woman who brings peace instead of drama creates an atmosphere that people naturally want to return to. In a world filled with stress, pressure, and constant conflict, emotional peace becomes one of the most attractive qualities a person can possess. She understands that a relationship should be a source of support and comfort, not a battlefield where every disagreement turns into a major crisis. Her calm presence allows others to feel understood, respected, or accepted. This does not mean she never expresses her feelings or avoids difficult conversations. In fact, she communicates openly and honestly when something bothers her. The difference is that she addresses problems with maturity rather than reacting impulsively. She listens before making assumptions, seeks solutions instead of arguments, and focuses on understanding rather than winning. This approach builds trust because it shows emotional intelligence and self-control. Many relationships struggle because small issues are constantly turned into larger conflicts. A woman who values peace knows how to separate temporary emotions from permanent decisions. She does not allow anger to control her actions. She thinks before speaking and chooses words that help resolve problems rather than create new ones. Her ability to remain composed during challenging situations makes her a source of stability. She also understands the importance of protecting her own peace. She avoids unnecessary nonsense, or negativity, gossip, and toxic behavior. She surrounds herself with people who encourage growth and positivity. Because her life is not driven by chaos, she has more energy to focus on meaningful goals, healthy relationships, and personal development. When a man experiences a relationship with a woman who brings genuine peace, he often recognizes how rare that quality truly is. Physical attraction may capture attention, but emotional peace creates lasting attachment. The feeling of being able to relax, communicate honestly, and be understood without constant conflict leaves a deep impression. People may forget many things about a relationship, but they rarely forget how someone made them feel. A woman who consistently brings calmness, understanding, and emotional stability creates memories that remain long after the relationship changes, making her presence difficult to replace and impossible to ignore. A woman who continues growing never becomes stagnant, and that is one of the reasons. She remains unforgettable. She understands that life is a journey of constant learning, improvement, and self-discovery. Rather than depending on a relationship to give her purpose, she creates her own purpose through personal development, ambition, and self-improvement. Her focus is not on becoming perfect, but on becoming better than she was yesterday. She invests time in expanding her knowledge, improving her skills, and strengthening her mindset. Whether it is advancing her career, learning something new, taking care of her health, or developing greater emotional intelligence, she is always moving forward. This commitment to growth creates confidence because every achievement reminds her of what she is capable of accomplishing. Her progress becomes a reflection of her discipline and determination. One of the most attractive qualities about a woman who continues growing is that she inspires others to grow as well. Her dedication to improvement creates a positive influence on the people around her. She does not settle for mediocrity or allow fear to keep her from pursuing her goals. Instead, she embraces challenges as opportunities to become stronger and wiser. This attitude makes her stand out because she refuses to let circumstances define her future. Growth also helps her maintain a strong sense of identity. She does not lose herself in a relationship because she has dreams, passions, and goals that continue to matter. She understands that a healthy relationship should complement her life, not replace it. This balance allows her to remain interesting, motivated, and fulfilled, regardless of what happens in her personal life. When setbacks occur, she views them as lessons rather than failures. She learns from mistakes, adapts to change, and continues moving forward. This resilience demonstrates strength of character and emotional maturity. Instead of being defeated by obstacles, she uses them as fuel for future success. Men often remember the woman who was, constantly evolving because growth creates lasting admiration. Her confidence, ambition, and commitment to becoming better make her someone who leaves a powerful impression. She becomes a reminder of progress, possibility, and purpose, qualities that continue to stand out long after time has passed. A woman who sets healthy boundaries commands respect without ever having to demand it. She understands that boundaries are not about controlling other people, they are about protecting her values, time, energy, and emotional well-being. Because she knows her worth, she is clear about what she will accept and what she will not tolerate. This clarity creates strong, healthy relationships built on mutual respect rather than fear, pressure, or manipulation. She does not feel guilty for saying no when something goes against her principles. She understands that constantly sacrificing her needs to keep others happy often leads to frustration and resentment. Instead, she communicates her expectati. 4. Owns honestly and confidently. Whether it involves respect, communication, trust, or commitment, she makes her standards known and stands by them. People quickly learn that she values herself too much to accept behavior that diminishes her dignity. Many individuals confuse boundaries with being difficult or distant, but a woman with strong boundaries knows the difference. She can be kind, loving, supportive, and compassionate while still protecting her peace. She does not allow kindness to become weakness. She recognizes when someone is taking advantage of her generosity and has the courage to step back when necessary. This balance between warmth and self-respect makes her emotionally strong and highly respected. When challenges arise in relationships, she addresses them directly rather than ignoring them. She does not tolerate repeated disrespect, broken promises, or inconsistent behavior simply because she fears losing someone. Her self-respect is stronger than her fear of being alone. 4. Knee. This mindset allows her to make decisions that support her long-term happiness instead of temporary comfort. Strong boundaries also help her maintain confidence. She knows that every time she honors her standards, she reinforces her own self-worth. She sends a message to herself and others that her feelings, needs, and values matter. That confidence becomes visible in the way she speaks, acts, and carries herself. Men often remember the woman who respected herself enough to set limits because boundaries create value. The woman who knows when to walk away, when to speak up, and when to protect her peace leaves a lasting impression. Her standards communicate strength, maturity, and self-respect, qualities that are difficult to forget and impossible to ignore. A woman who makes people feel genuinely appreciated leaves an impact that goes far beyond physical attraction. Everyone wants to feel valued, respected, and understood. When someone consistently brings positive energy and courage, gamut, and sincere appreciation into the lives of others, they become unforgettable. A woman with this quality knows how to make people feel important without losing herself in the process. She gives respect, kindness, and attention because it reflects her character, not because she expects something in return. She understands the power of listening. While many people focus on being heard, she takes the time to truly hear others. She pays attention to what people say, remembers important details, and shows genuine interest in their thoughts and experiences. This ability to make someone feel seen creates deep emotional connections. People naturally gravitate toward those who make them feel understood and accepted. Her appreciation is also reflected in how she supports the people she cares about. She celebrates achievements, encourages growth, and offers motivation during difficult times. Instead of competing with others or feeling threatened by their success, she inspires them to be. 4. Own better. Her presence creates an environment where people feel confident, respected, and capable of achieving more. What makes her appreciation so powerful is that it is sincere. She does not use compliments as manipulation or kindness as a strategy. Her words and actions come from a genuine place. Because of this authenticity, people trust her. They know that when she offers encouragement or praise, she truly means it. That honesty strengthens relationships and creates lasting emotional bonds. At the same time, she maintains her own identity and self-respect. She appreciates others without seeking constant validation for herself. She understands that healthy relationships are built on mutual appreciation rather than one-sided effort. Her kindness is balanced with confidence, making her both caring and strong. Men often remember the woman who made them feel valued during moments when the world seemed focused only on criticism and expectations. They remember the encouragement she offered, the support she provided, and the positive energy she brought into their lives. Long after conversations are forgotten and circumstances change, the feeling of being genuinely appreciated remains, making her presence one that is difficult to replace and impossible to forget.